kids, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Tralalerlo Tralala Christmas version, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started with the eye. We're going to come over from the center, stepping across on the left, drawing in a nice big circle for that left eye. And then we're going to leave quite a big gap coming across on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Now from that inside corner, for the pupil, we're going to connect that by curving this around and then in on the side. And then again, we're going to flip across on the right hand side, closing that off. Let's add a small highlight. On the top, we're going to draw in a circle. And now let's just color in our pupils black. Now we're going to connect each eye together by drawing in an arch line. Let's come underneath from the center, stepping over. We're going to draw in an oval on a diagonal for the nostril. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. And then from here, we're just going to color that in black. Let's come down for the mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, down, back, across. Let's close this off with an arch line on the bottom. And then for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line across. Now let's move up for the hat. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line over and through towards the right. We're going to curve this line around and then in on the left and right-hand side, and we're going to end that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to close that off with a curved line. On the left-hand side, let's arch this line over and in. Let's close off the hat behind. So we're going to curve this line around and through, bringing that in towards the center. And then starting back on this line, we're just going to curve this line around and down on the right. Let's come over on the left, and we're going to draw in a circle for that pom-pom. Let's close off the face here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to round out that cheek, curving this around and through towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to blend this line back in together. Now on the left-hand side of our eye, we're going to curve this line over and down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's come underneath. For the scarf on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. We'll step in doing the same thing on the right. And then we're just going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now for the scarf, we're going to move over on the left-hand side, arching this around and in. Now let's come over on the right-hand side. We're going to draw in a snowball here. So we're going to draw in a curved line, leaving a gap in the center. We're going to continue the scarf behind on the right. Then we're going to follow this through underneath, curving this in towards that scarf in the middle. Let's draw on the hand. So starting underneath a little bit lower, we're going to curve this line around, connecting that to that line. And then we're going to continue to bring this all the way around and in underneath the snowball. Let's close off the wrist, curving this around and up. Now let's draw on the torso. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line down. Let's do the same thing on the left. Let's draw on our left arm now. So we're going to draw a curved diagonal line coming out. We're going to step down, curving this around, over and through for the wrist. Let's come back down for the thumb. Stepping on the inside, we're going to arch this line over and through towards the top. And then to close off the rest of the hand, we're just going to curve this back around and in on that corner. Now let's draw in the feet. So on the inside from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and down. Stepping over on the outside, again, we're going to curve this line through towards the bottom. Now let's come in, lining this up at the same height. We're going to curve this line up and across towards the side. And then starting back in the middle, we're going to curve this around and down towards the bottom, ending that at the same height as the line on the outside. Let's close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now for the sole of the shoe, stepping up, we're going to curve this line across again. Now for the toe of the shoe, we're just going to curve this line around and back down. Now let's come up, we're going to curve this line over. And now for the laces, we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines as we come down. We're going to draw in a small straight line in the middle, closing off the torso. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in towards the shoe. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then right in the middle here, we're just going to draw in another small curved line, closing that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Tralalerlo Tralala Christmas edition. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.